Hello everyone, how are you? I think you all are fine. That is really not possible to take class at offline just because all the school are shut down and due to this lockdown period. So I'm just going to help you out by this online exercise, and I'm just addressing this video to all of my class 8 students so they can easily identify about the exercise of the topographical map. So what exactly the topographical map is, that is very important. Whenever you have to know what exactly the topographical map is, you have to know, you have to see a picture of a topographical map. Otherwise you cannot even identify what exactly the topographical map is. So I'm just going to show a topographical map. Look, this is a topographical map. You can very easily identify this is a sea land, this is a sea, and this is a land. Okay, these all are the land feature, that is a sea, and this is totally a topographical map. Now that is really not possible for all of you to know that how it draw, what exactly it meaning, a lot of things. So this is represent the geographical features of a region including the hill, valleys and plainland, etc. So whenever we have to talk about the plain land, so this is a plain land, this is a valley region we can say, and they display three-dimensional feature on two-dimensional map. So this is called the topographical map. So before knowing the topographical map, we have to know about the contour line, because whenever we have just no idea about the contour line, that is really not possible to identify the topographical map. So what exactly the contour line? A contour line is a very unique idea of, about a topographical map, but I'm extremely sorry that either you cannot see a contour line is, so you cannot even identify. So I'm just going to show, this is a contour line. So you can very easily identify about the contour line. It shows shape of the land by connecting point the equal elevation. Equal elevation, what is the meaning of the equal elevation? Like 50 to 60, 60 70, 70 80, 80 90, 90 100, 100 to 110. So these all are the equal elevation in between 10 meters. Means the difference in between 50 to 60 10 meter, 60 to 70 10 meter, 70 to 80 10 meter, 80 to 90 10 meter, 90 to 100 10 meter, and 100 to 110 is also 10 meter. So that is a very important things. Either you have to know about the topographical map, because whenever you very easily identify the contour line, you can very easily identify about the topographical map also. So there has a rule to draw the topographical map and the contour line. What exactly this is? The equal value in between two lines. The equal value, what exactly the equal value of 50 to 60, that is a 10 meter, 60 to 70 that also a 10 meter, 70 to 80 that is 10 meter, 80 to 90 10 meter. So these all are the equal value in between two elevation or two contour line, and that never touch to each other. 50 never touch to 60, 60 meter never touch to the 70 meter, and never interact in between two lines. So that is exactly the very important factor of the contour line, that it never touch to each other. So whenever we know about how to draw a contour line, so we can very easily understand that what exactly the topographical map. So contour line always represent the features of the land, like either it is a mountain, either it is a hill region, either it is a plain land. So that's all about the contour line, and it's always that is really very related in between the topographical map and the contour line. So that is very important factor of the topographical map and the contour line. So today that's it. I think you understand what exactly our topic, today's topic. So thank you so much. Stay well. I will take the next exercise the next day. Thank you so much. Bye.